Ooh, sniff test. This smells good. Uh-oh. Front left? What? Shh. I'm hunting for a car or a truck or something that forklift could bring out to me. Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike, we are back at, you recognize the building? This is IAA in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I'm looking for a cool car or truck or something that I could add to the channel to keep you interested. And I'm sure that you are looking for a good deal as well. That looks like something interesting right there. That little silver car. That might be kind of fun. Anyway, we're going to find something to add to the channel. We're going to find something to save you some money. And in the process, we're going to have some fun. Well, I keep getting drawn to these Cadillacs. Yep, this is the baby Cadillac, 2013 Cadillac ATS. And it is in beautiful condition, except for the accident. We do have some pinstriping, which I like. I'm old school. I do like that. The tires look really good right here on this one. This looks good. This is a Michelin, so this one might be a little different. Here's your damage. This is just superficial. The problem is right there. Okay, this is where it's going to get tough to pull this out. You need a tail light. You're going to need, you're going to need a bumper, as you can see right there. You're going to need the tailgate as well. Other than that, though, it's a good looking car. This is a Michelin. And what's up front? That's a Michelin. So that's good news. Okay, there is no sunroof or anything. The interior, ooh, somebody liked to lean way back. Look at that. Ooh, sniff test. This smells good. And I think we have power too. Absolutely. So let's go ahead and check this one out. No damage on the front, which is fine. This is just dust. So this will clean up. This, okay. Well, I'm liking it more and more, except for that rear damage. But that's behind me, and I never walk around there, so that wouldn't bother me too much. We do have power, as you can hear. 113,000 miles. Engine is a little rough. Do we have any? Oh, bring me this. Here we go. Don't start this phone. Do not start shutting down because of the heat. I'm bringing you all kinds of air conditioning. I like this. I like the, this does not feel like leather to me. This feels more like a vinyl, which is, ugh. There's your owner's manual, still in the packaging right there. Nice. Little bitty steering wheel. Okay, you know the windows are going to work. Here we go. Yep. Let's try this one. Absolutely. What do you think about a 2013 Cadillac ATS? 113,000 miles. That is not too much at all. No, sir. Okay. That bell signifies the hood is open. Here's, well, see, I keep getting called to these silver cars. I don't know why. Here we go. There it is. Ooh. So as you can see, she's not the smoothest. But look at this. This is orange. That's well kept right there. She started right up. Look at your little, I guess this is your oil filter right there. That's kind of cool. The belt. This is nice. Okay. This would be something fun to have and to take on the highway. Get some pretty good gas mileage on it. Yeah, the air conditioning is lovely. It is just lovely. Okay, let's see what happens. There we go. Yeah, of course she's going to run and drive. She's perfect. She's idling just fine right now. See what's on the radio. Okay. I like it. What do you think about this? I don't know. I wouldn't be used to having cup holders. I don't get those in a lot of my cars. Look at this little area right here. There's your little charge point. Okay. This is little though. It's got the Bose system, which is nice. But this, I'm going to write this number down. I really am. 2013 Cadillac ATS runs and drives. You need a tail light, tailgate, and some work on the back. But now that I'm a body person, you know, I can fix that kind of stuff. Now that I know how to weld, I don't. That was one video, and I did pretty good with my... Uh-oh. She just stumbled a little bit. She almost died. What was that? What was that? I don't know. That was definitely weird. Okay, well, we're still going to write this down. If it goes cheap enough, we'll have to see. All right, let's see what else we can find. I just wanted to show you what someone put on the back of their car. Look at that. Us fat guys just want to get inside your pantries. This guy had a sense of humor. He also liked, what is that, anime? And he was a little tarnished. I don't know. This guy was a character. Yeah, this guy was a definite character. There's a lot of damage up front. That's why we're not looking at it. And look what just happened to my... Dadgummit. Dadgummit. That's what I was going to drink because it's so hot out here. Well, this is exactly how my day has gone. This is 100% how my day has gone so far. Yep. All right. Well, let's try to find something else. Well, is this a fail or a find? That's a pretty good title. I might even put that on the thumbnail. Look at this. 2006 Dodge Magnum. Yeah. They took the Charger and the Challenger and they made it a wagon. And even though I'm into wagons, I don't know why, I just don't think I like this one. All right? This just never seemed to go over. I thought I don't know. I don't even really know what to say about this. You know, they were trying to appeal to, I guess, cool moms. I don't know what the appeal of this is or was, because they don't even make these anymore. But it's a Charger with a way back. Yeah, it's just weird to me. Okay, so this is the 3.5 liter. It's not even the Hemi. What do you think about this thing, though? Is it even going to start? You see the damage. Yeah, you're going to need a fender. You're going to need a windshield. There's some huge dents on the roof right here. Something hit it. This was just not taken care of at all. Okay, your tailgate is completely bashed in. It still opens, though. You do get a lot of room back here. Not a lot of headroom in the back, but you do get some room. Ugh. Here we go. Let's see if she's going to do anything for us. If she's going to entertain us or not. Okay. Let's just kind of see. Once again, someone has been in here and they leave these things on. I don't know why. Okay, 204,000 miles. There's a definite tap. What do we listen to? Yeah, okay. How about some air conditioning, please? We do have air conditioning. Everything is very plasticky. This is very gross. I don't even really want to set my elbow down here. There's no sunroof or anything right there. Dime Industries. Ha 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 ha. That's a clue. Young LA, ROVE. We got some kind of a, what is this thing right there? Oh, base control. There you go, right behind the key ring. Parking brake. Here's the hood. You think the window's gonna work? Probably. There we go. They are tinted. It's nicer being inside here than it is looking at it from the outside. I'll give you that, but then so are most of my cars. You have glass fragmentation on the dash. And can you hear what the engine is doing? This has been off. for a while. She's a tapping and a rapping. Okay. Well, I don't think I'm interested in this one. Look how long that belt has got to be. Look how it goes from this side to that side and then all the way down. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Well, I think we're going to pass on this one. Let me know what you think about the Magnum. I mean, they're kind of cool, I guess. Different wheels. I just don't know. I don't know. I think I'll stick with my Mercedes wagon. But that's just me. We'll enjoy this, and then we'll go to the next car. Are you a risk taker? Well, this might be the car for you. This could be the world's easiest fix, or it could be the world's most difficult. Okay? This is a 2013, as you can see, Mercedes GLK. Yes, you see these everywhere for young moms, young soccer moms, taking their young kids to school or to soccer. The damage is on this side over here. This is the 4MATIC, so it's 4-wheel drive. I do like the color. I really do. I like the big wheels. This one is a little scuffed. Okay, you might need to get another rim. Here's your problem. It's the door and the rocker panel, okay? There's a little bit of scuffing right over here, the bottom of the back door. But if this is just the door, if the B-pillar right here is not affected, if this kind of crunched in and the B-pillar stayed the same, all you do is put on a new door. Look at this. This is fine. Your fender's fine. This wheel is fine. The back, you might even be able just to touch this up. Yeah, this is just a scuff. A little paint right there. Replace this piece. That's plastic. And get yourself a door. Unless this is messed up. Which I don't think it is. We'll take a look on the inside and see. But what do you like about the GLKs? Do you like them or no? I think they're kind of cool. I haven't seen a lot of guys driving these. Continental tires, that's good. A nice black interior. Okay, well, you will need to get an airbag. We have power, which is nice. We have a nice big panoramic roof up there. Let's just see what's going to happen when we try to give her a start. Oh, and you know what? For the first time ever, this isn't ripped right here. It's ripped there, but it's not right there. This is where they fail. Every front seat of every GLK I've ever looked at has been ripped right here. This one is starting to rip right there. Oh my goodness. This thing says it's 102. Front left, malfunction service, front left? What? Okay. Front right, rear left. I don't see those. I don't see this unless they've just tried to hide it, which could be the case. Look at these humongous air vents right here. I love that. Let's crank this. Give me some fanage. Here we go. Look how you open and close. Closed, open. And then everybody points towards me. Thank you. Okay, we're going to close the door. Hopefully the mileage is going to pop up here. Let's go. Okay. Right side curtain. Look at all the airbags. 80,000 miles. This is a 2013. Look at this. I like how they have that right there. Here's your memory functions. This is kind of comfortable. The seat works. This one works. I'm not going to do this one. What about you? Of course you're going to work. Look at that. Okay. We have no lights on other than the airbag light and the seatbelt light, which is fine. Okay. Turn on the radio. Let's just see what's going to happen. Connect last device. I don't want that. I want the radio. 38 special. Good song. Yeah, okay. You know, from the inside, for being 11 years old, it looks great. I mean, the wood is good. This is nice. I think they took care of this. Whoever had this car, they really took care of it until, oh wait, okay, so there's some airbags that have come off. I think that's going to be fine. I really do. I think your B-pillar is going to be fine. This air conditioning is amazing. Okay, so let's see. I like the shifter too. Let's see if she's going into drive. Yep. She's going into reverse. There's your backup camera. She's now in park. Oh, this is a good little vehicle. Would you be afraid to replace a door? I don't think I would. Well, this is kind of interesting. Is this electrical tape that they've used? That's different. Here we go. Let's check out this. V6, right? Or what's inside here? Let's see. Here we go. Look at that. V6. It's not really shaking or anything. It's just dirty. And there is room to address your situations, like your belt. I still don't know why they do this right here. Let's put a computer right next to the engine, because that's going to stay nice and quiet and cool and still and everything else. Your brake fluid looks good. This is nice. So all you would need are a couple of airbags. Well, now you might even need a seat. I don't know how they do this. Okay, now it's getting expensive. You have to get a whole seat. And a door. What's a seat going to cost you at a pull-apart yard? Like $100? Maybe, if they include the airbags. Well, if it's at PYP or LKQ, it's going to cost you $6,000. The door itself, well, they're going to charge you for the window motor, the airbag, window regulator, all that kind of stuff. So that's going to be a couple $100. So maybe $500, and you'd have a nice looking SUV. I like this. Okay, well, let's write this number down. Just little old me sitting inside my GLK, which is beautiful. The dark wood is nice, and the black, this was a nice vehicle. And they had, they did their own oil changes too. They changed this at $86,992, or it's due at $86,992, and you got $80,000 right now. So they had just changed the oil. That's okay. I like this now because it looks like someone who really appreciated this car took care of it. Good thing. All right. Well, you don't care what I think, do you? Well, I care what you think. So let me know. Absolutely. Let me know what you think about these three vehicles right here. We will be back with another video very, very soon, folks. And yes, thank you so much for watching my Get Your Hands Dirty videos. That old, where I learned how to weld and put some parts back on that Mercedes wagon, is doing really well. And the other video where we got that Saab to start is doing fantastic. So if you haven't checked out those two videos, go look at them, okay? Also, please subscribe. 52%, I think now, of the people that watch my videos are not subscribers. So please, if you haven't, please like, please subscribe, please share, and go on to Facebook and Instagram and look for the Monkey Wrench Mike and Monkey Wrench Mike, and subscribe or follow or whatever you're supposed to do over there. All right, everybody. It's hot. My hat is on too tight. I've got a new phone holder because I couldn't find my other one. I dropped my Coca-Cola. So there's a lot going on right here. And yes, I am a little demented. So we'll see you in the next one. Okay? Bye.